Hi, this is Kevin Cook, the heavy equipment guy here at Star Tractor. We have some dozers available. 850, 650, 750, and it looks like another 750 over there. A couple of these may be going out here very soon, but right now they're sitting. Again, if you're looking to rent a dozer or anything like that, give me a call at 817-733-3799. Again, 817-733-3799. Beautiful John Deere dozers. Beautiful. All these have a ripper except the 650. Beautiful machines. Thank you, and God bless.